and it's Mr. Pickering here to talk to you about chemistry for next year. You might think chemistry is just doing experiments in the lab, big bangs, and some trivia on the periodic table, but it doesn't necessarily have to do with lab coats at all. Okay, there's a lot of chemistry study that applies to a whole variety of different subjects that you might find are important to you in your future career, and that's one good reason to choose chemistry. Chemistry applies from any kind of subjects from nursing right through to dietetics, nutrition, all the way through to any kind of medical studies or medical research, and into engineering, materials research, and just any standard chemical kind of jobs that you might be thinking of, like chemical engineering, wastewater treatment, things like that. So there's a lot of industries out there that are looking for people that have some chemistry knowledge in them. And you might find that the further that you look into your chosen career, the chemistry might be something that you need to study at high school, even if it's just for year 11. So please keep that in mind when you're choosing your subject, is how important chemistry is. Another reason that people choose chemistry is the same reason that I chose to study chemistry, is because I found it really interesting. Some of you, when working on the periodic table or doing chemical reactions in year 10, hopefully by the end of the year, will appreciate that chemistry is just a really interesting subject. And it's a good way to train your brain, it's a good way to test yourself and gain really good insight into how the world works. So if you have a career that needs chemistry, or if you're not quite sure if you need chemistry, then come and talk to us. Or if you find chemistry, like most kids, is one of those interesting subjects that you might want to persevere with in year 11 and 12, then please come and talk to myself or Mr. Morgan or any others of the science teachers so we can help you better understand the subject that you might be choosing for next year. But we hope to see as many people as we can in chemistry next year, because it is a great subject and great for your future. Cheers.